come on in. This is where art happens. I'm new to Austin, moving here from Nevada City, California, just last October. I've studied photography my whole life and began shooting professionally in 2007. Life has been really rough for all of us these past few months, but moving to Austin has been most inspiring for me as a photographer. I really value being a part of the Dougherty Arts Center community. I use full-framed Nikons for wedding, portraits, landscapes, and cityscapes. The bodies and lenses are heavy and difficult to lug around, but Nikons and Canons and all of these professional grade DSLRs are unmatched in terms of capturing light sharply and accurately. Post-processing is done with Adobe software. Initial corrections are in Lightroom Classic, and the more technical editing is done in Photoshop. I can spend more than an hour on one photo. It usually takes me a few days to get through a wedding shoot and get it to where it's ready for my clients. I shoot with a mirrorless Sony for travel and hiking and street photography. It's a more enjoyable camera to use than these. I believe that an image does not become something of value until it is printed. I love my Epson Stylus Pro. It uses pigment ink and can handle paper up to 17 inches wide. Most of my work is printed on matte paper. Some of my black and white work is done with Barita semi-gloss paper. This one's not mine, but he's a pretty cool dude I met on the Oregon coastline while shooting there. This is also not mine. It's a silk painting, or painting on silk, by my very, very good friend Karel Hindi in Grass Valley. She is an amazing lady, does amazing work. She's an inspiration to me and one of my closest critics. At this time, I would like to share with you just a few of my photographs taken over these past few months. I can hardly wait to share more of my work with you on September 20th, where I will be facilitating a workshop on how to take better photographs with your smartphone. I would love to chat more with you about photography and art. You may contact me through my website at garyswenor.photography. Thank you so very much.